Welcome students. In our today's videos we will learn the types of plants. There are several types of plants in an organization based on nature of usage of these plants. These are divided into two broad categories: single-used plants and standing plants. The first one are those which are relevant for a specific time, and after the lapse of time these plants are prepared for the next period. For example, we can mention program and budget. Standing plans are those which provide guidelines for further course of action and used over a long period of time. For example, objectives, policy, procedure, method and rule. Now let us discuss all the above plans one by one. First one is program. It is a detailed statement about a project which outlines the procedure, policies, objectives, methods, rules, resources required to implement any course of action. It has some features. There is identifiable in terms of specific objectives. Example, program of creating employment opportunities undertaken by the government. This is unique, infrequent and even unfamiliar to the organization. It is not a repetitive activity. Third point, it is critical to the organization for achieving its objectives. Now come to budget. It is a statement of expected results expressed in quantitative terms. It is an estimate of future needs, arrangement of an orderly basis. It is prepared on analyzing of past, present and future conditions. The main features of budget are: number one, there may be different types of budgets covering particular area like purchase budget, sales budget, production budget and cash budget. Second one, budget is period based. When the period is over, a new budget is prepared for the next period. Budget serves two purposes, namely planning as well as control. Third point is rule. Rule is a specific statement that prescribes to be done or not to be done. It is a plan that guides the future behavior of the employees. It is an organization. There may be several areas in which rules may be prescribed, as they are essential for governing behavior of the members and maintaining discipline. So there may have some features of this rule. Number one, rule sets conditions which must be observed in performing various activities. Rule must be followed strictly without any exception. Rules is meant to govern the behavior of the members. It is a means of maintaining discipline. Rule is impersonal nature and treats all the persons as equal. Now this much today. You wait for the next videos. Thank you.